Throughout history, humans armed with superior tools have consistently outperformed those relying on older methods. A bronze spearhead or sickle easily outmatched stone alternatives, allowing early civilizations to harvest more food and win more battles. Today, ignoring AI is the equivalent of insisting on closing deals with a fax machine. The cost of digital labor is falling to the price of electricity, giving an immediate advantage to businesses that stop relying on manual data entry. Over the next 5 minutes, you are going to learn how to build an autonomous system that compiles your most annoying weekly data reports without any human intervention. To make this work, you have to discard the traditional organizational chart. Stop trying to figure out how AI replaces an entire employee or department. Instead, you need to look at the specific, granular tasks your team executes every single day. Step 1 is gathering the right materials. You need 3 tools: a screen recorder like Loom, an AI model like Claude, and an automation workspace called N8N. Mastering this workflow shift increases the revenue potential of every person on your team. By removing the need for manual data coordination, a single operator can maintain systems that previously occupied multiple hours of daily staff time. Write down every action required for a specific role in your business. A marketing manager, for example, might build campaigns, set budgets, write copy, test landing pages, and compile performance metrics. Cross out the high-level strategic tasks and zero in on the purely repetitive manual labor. For this build, we are isolating the weekly data report, a process that usually requires a human to pull numbers from 3 different platforms. Next, record your screen while you perform this exact task manually. Speak out loud as you work. Detail every click, every downloaded spreadsheet, and every copied cell, so the process is perfectly captured in the audio transcript. This diagram shows how an AI model processes massive amounts of information through its context window. Claude Opus 4.5 can hold up to 200,000 characters in its memory at once. You feed your raw video transcript directly into this funnel, giving the AI total visibility over your workflow. Apply the prompt, "Turn this into a step-by-step SOP." Because the model watched your exact sequence of actions, it bypasses generic advice and generates an airtight operational document that outlines your specific business process. Most automated systems fail because they are built on vague instructions. Having a deeply contextualized, detailed procedure prevents the system from breaking down when applied to real-world scenarios. Now we build the actual infrastructure inside N8N. Unlike standard platforms that charge high per-task fees, which eat into your profit margins as you scale, this software is self-hosted, allowing you to run complex logic without ballooning costs. The first step in the digital build is dropping a meta ads node right onto the blank canvas. You configure this block to securely log in and extract exactly how much money you spent on advertising over the last 7 days. Immediately next to that, you drop in a billing node, like Stripe, and set it to pull your total gross revenue for that exact same timeframe. Finally, you add a third node connected directly to your CRM. This block pulls the total volume of new qualified leads your sales team generated this week. This diagram illustrates the final routing logic. The raw data streams from your ads, your billing software, and your CRM flow down into a single communication node. This consolidates the isolated numbers into one readable format. Because you are not paying fees every time a piece of data moves between these nodes, you can set the system to run endless calculations on a loop, scaling your analytics without scaling your overhead. While setting this up, you will inevitably hit a technical snag. You might misconfigure a login credential or fail to map a specific data field correctly between 2 nodes, causing the workflow to stall. When this happens, do not waste time typing out a description of the error. Instead, use the screenshot loop. Simply capture an image of the exact error message displayed on your screen, drop that image directly into your AI model, and ask one simple question: what do I do now? The system processes the image, identifies the misaligned data field, and gives you a precise step-by-step fix. You now have a 24/7 personal tutor that can read software interfaces and correct your mistakes in real time. We saw early iterations of this pattern decades ago. When Deep Blue defeated Kasparov, it proved that machines could execute highly complex, rule-based logic. Today, that same logic processing capability is available on your desktop to troubleshoot your software. The screenshot loop bridges the gap between technical complexity and business logic. It allows non-technical operators to diagnose and fix software errors that previously required a developer's intervention. With the errors resolved, the pipeline is finished. You step back, initiate the command, and watch the system execute the entire data gathering sequence completely on its own. Almost instantly, a notification chimes on your phone. You open the message to find a perfectly calculated summary, telling you exactly how much you spent, your total gross revenue, and your final lead count for the week. Once you successfully build this single pipeline, the mechanics are yours forever. You can replicate this exact framework to instantly route incoming sales leads, draft personalized emails, or scrape the internet for shifting market trends. Mastering these autonomous workflows creates a permanent decoupling between your revenue and your headcount. It separates high-leverage operators from those whose growth is still limited by manual labor. If you find this valuable, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Rise Raise.